In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable TLS 1.2 in Mozilla Firefox. This is useful if you are having trouble accessing older websites that still rely on TLS 1.2. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open Mozilla Firefox and go to the address bar and type in about:config. Press enter. And all I have to do is accept the warning because Firefox will display a message saying proceed with caution. Go ahead and click accept the risk and continue. This means you are accessing advanced settings. Nothing to worry about for as long as you follow these steps carefully. Now from here, on the search bar, I want you to type in security.tls.version.min. As you may notice, this settings controls the minimum TLS version Firefox is allowed to use. Right now, it is set to number 3. Okay, so the value is number 3. So if you are seeing 0, 2, don't worry because to allow TLS 1.2, set the value to 3. If it's set to, let's say, 0, okay, I want you to edit that and set it to 3. What will happen is if you do, Firefox can negotiate modern TLS versions including TLS 1.2. After that, all I have to do is close and reopen Firefox to apply the changes. And basically that's it. TLS 1.2 is now enabled in your browser. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.